If you say, I have stress to an American, they will understand you, but they know you're not a native speaker. Americans don't say it like that.
That's right. In America, we say I'm stressed or I'm stressed out, not I have stress.
And today, we're teaching you exactly how Americans talk about stress in real life. These are the phrases you'll hear every single day.
Stay with us. By the end of this video, you'll sound natural when you talk about stress in English.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Leo English. I'm here to help you speak real American English confidently.
And I'm here too. We're not teaching textbook English. We teach you how Americans actually speak in daily life.
Today's topic is super important because stress is something everyone talks about. At work, with friends, with family, you need to know the right way to say it.
And if you want to practice real American English with us every week, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get started.
Okay, let's talk about the biggest mistake first. Many learners say, I have stress, right?
Yes, I hear that all the time. I have stress about my job. I have stress about the test.
It's not wrong, but it sounds unnatural. Americans almost never say, I have stress.
So what do Americans say?
We say, I'm stressed. That's the most common way.
I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Say it with me. I'm stressed.
Perfect. You can also say, I'm stressed out. That means the same thing, but it sounds a little stronger.
I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out about work. I'm stressed out about my exam.
Exactly. Those are natural American phrases. Now, let me ask you something. When do you use I'm stressed?
Anytime you're feeling worried or anxious about something, for example, if you have a big meeting tomorrow, you can say, I'm stressed about the meeting.
Great example. Here's another one. Imagine you have too much work. You can say, I'm so stressed right now.
I'm so stressed right now. That sounds natural.
It does. Now, let's practice. I'll give you a situation and you tell me what to say. Ready?
Ready.
You have 3 deadlines this week at work. What do you say?
I'm stressed out about my deadlines.
Perfect. That's exactly what an American would say. Let's keep going.
Now, here's another phrase Americans use all the time. Stressed is good, but we also say under stress.
Oh, that's a great phrase. Under stress. Can you explain when we use it?
Sure, we use under stress when we're talking about a situation that's making us stressed. For example, I'm under a lot of stress at work right now.
I'm under a lot of stress. I'm under a lot of stress. Say it again.
I'm under a lot of stress.
Nice. This phrase sounds a little more formal. You can use it at work or in serious conversations.
Right, but with friends, you can just say I'm stressed or I'm stressed out. That's more casual.
Exactly. So we have 3 phrases so far. Let's review quickly.
Number 1, I'm stressed.
Number 2, I'm stressed out.
Number 3, I'm under stress.
Great. Everyone watching, repeat those 3 phrases out loud right now. Practice with us.
Okay, now let's talk about what's making you stressed. In English, we use specific phrases to explain the reason.
Yes, the most common way is to say stressed about something. For example, I'm stressed about money.
I'm stressed about money. I'm stressed about my grades. I'm stressed about the presentation.
Perfect examples. You always say stressed about and then the thing that's worrying you.
What if it's a person? Can I say I'm stressed about my boss?
You can, but Americans usually say, my boss is stressing me out.
Oh, so we turn the person into the subject. My boss is stressing me out.
Exactly. That's super common. Here are more examples. My kids are stressing me out. This project is stressing me out.
This project is stressing me out. I love that phrase.
It's very natural. Now you try. I'll give you a situation. Your roommate is being loud and you can't study. What do you say?
My roommate is stressing me out.
Perfect. You got it. That sounds completely natural.
Here's another important phrase. Sometimes we want to say stress is making us feel bad or sick. In American English, we say stress is getting to me.
Stress is getting to me. What does that mean?
It means stress is affecting you. It's making you tired, upset, or sick. For example, all this work is really getting to me.
All this work is really getting to me. That's such a useful phrase.
It is. You can also say, the stress is getting to me. Same meaning.
The stress is getting to me. Let's practice. Imagine you've been studying for hours and you're exhausted. What do you say?
The stress is getting to me. I need a break.
Excellent. That sounds natural and conversational.
Now, let's talk about when you want to say you're very stressed. You don't just say, I'm stressed. You make it stronger.
Right. Americans add words like so, really, or super. For example, I'm so stressed.
I'm so stressed. I'm really stressed. I'm super stressed out.
Those are all natural. You can also say I'm extremely stressed, but that sounds a bit more formal.
True. With friends, just say, I'm so stressed or I'm really stressed out.
Perfect. Now, here's a fun one. If you're very, very stressed, Americans say, I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out. That's a strong one.
It is. It means you're panicking or very anxious. For example, I have a test in 1 hour and I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Say it with us, everyone.
But be careful. Freaking out is casual. Don't use it in formal situations, like a job interview.
Good point. With your boss, say, I'm under a lot of stress. With friends, you can say, I'm freaking out.
All right, let's do a quick review before we practice. We've learned a lot.
Yes, here are the key phrases. Number 1, I'm stressed.
Number 2, I'm stressed out.
Number 3, I'm under stress.
Number 4, I'm stressed about something. I'm stressed about work, money, school.
Number 5, something is stressing me out. My boss is stressing me out.
Number 6, I'm so stressed. I'm really stressed. I'm freaking out.
Practice these phrases every day.
You did amazing today. You learned how to talk about stress like a real American.
And remember, these phrases work in everyday conversations, at work, with friends, with family, everywhere.
Now, here's your homework. We want you to practice.
Choose one phrase from today and write it in the comments. For example, write, I'm stressed about work, or my boss is stressing me out.
We'll read your comments and help you practice. This is how you get better.
And if you want to keep learning real American English with us, subscribe to Speak Leo English right now.
Hit that like button if this video helped you. We make these videos because we want you to speak English confidently.
You're doing great. Keep practicing and don't give up.
Next time you feel stressed, use these phrases. You'll sound natural and confident.
Thanks for watching Speak Leo English. We'll see you in the next video.
Keep practicing and remember, you can do this.
Bye, everyone.